Welcome back, Crammers, to question 7. Write these decimals in order of size. Start with the smallest decimal. We can see that here we have 4 figures, so let's format all of these to 4 figures. Moving on, we can see the smallest is 0.405. We can cross that out. Then we have 0.45, cross that out. Then we have 0.5, cross that out. Then we have 0.504, cross out, and finally we have 0.54. Write 0.08 as a percentage. We can multiply 0.08 times 100, and since we're multiplying, we move to the right twice, and we get 8%. Write 31 over 9 as a mixed number. We have to find the highest multiple of 9 just before 31, and that's 27. 27 divided by 9 is 3, so our whole number here is 3. 31 minus 27 is 4, so we write here 4, and we write the same denominator, which is 9. Find the number exactly halfway between 7 over 25 and 0.88. That means we have to combine these two and divide it by 2. But notice how 7 over 25 times 4 can be simplified to 7 times 4 is 28, divided by 25 times 4 is 100. And when we're dividing by 100, we move to the left twice. So this can be simplified to 0.28. Now we have 0.28 plus 0.88 divided by 2. This gives us 1.16 divided by 2, or just 0.58. Thanks for watching. Cram, then scram.